Kids Game Phone Animals is a fun and educational app in which kids phone their favorite animal. Learn to count from 1 to 20 by means of a song. And play a game which helps in the development of their memory. Kids use 0 to 9 buttons to enter an animal's phone number from 1 to 20, and then press Talk button to dial the number. Let us call Bear. His phone number is 2. After 2 rings, Bear will talk. If the phone number dialed is 0, or greater than 20, an audio message, "Wrong number," is given. To play game. Kids press the game button and a message with name of an animal they are asked to call, appears on the screen. After kids enter animal's phone number and clicks on the talk button, the animal talks to them. Let us play the game once. In case the number dialed is not correct number, kids hear the message, "Wrong number." In such case, kids should re-enter correct number of the animal. By pressing 1, 2, 3 button, kids listen to the counting song from 1 to 20. For each number in the song, the number and picture of the animal to which that number belongs appear on the screen. This helps kids to learn counting, as well as to remember phone number of each animal. This is a great way to develop kids' memory.